What's up, guys? Good afternoon. How's it going out there, guys? Ready for another busy week tomorrow? Let's get into it, man. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your research out there, okay? Also, check out the channel sponsor, LBank, link down below in the description. Do your spot trading, leverage trading, copy trading, no KYC required. Have a look at Caspa, guys. Down 1.5%. Good DC opportunity. Glimmer's having a little bit of a pump here, almost 4% pump. Gala's having a bit of a correction. Nice little DCA day today. BTC's holding 27.9. Guys, I did my DCA today. If you want to know what I'm DCAing into, check out the member side. Click the join button down below. $4.99 a month. Gets you access to my what I'm doing with my portfolio. You get updates on that, where I'm putting my money. You get one-on-one video calls with me. I took care of a couple of those today with the members. We had some chats. We learned some things. So yeah. Also, guys, on the member side, when it comes time to start DCing out of the market and taking profits, I will be doing breakdown videos for the members on that, how to set your sell orders, how to take your profits, things like that, over on the member side as well. And you also get exclusive content, videos on early microcap gems. Get in on plays like Caspa early. So you get that as well. I just uploaded a video, I think yesterday, for the members on another low cap gem. So definitely check that out, guys, and it really supports the channel. So let's get into it here. Day 8, asking Coinbase to list Caspa. Hopefully soon, guys. It is inevitable. Just like Thanos, baby. It is inevitable. Coinbase will list Caspa, but I don't want them to list it until after the halving. I want Caspa to start getting these big listings, Binance and all that stuff, Coinbase, Kraken, after the halving. That way we have an opportunity to buy as much of it as we can before the price goes parabolic. Ow, bit my tongue. Forbes article, US dollar collapse, shock, $8 trillion predicted Fed inflation flip to spark a critical Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto price boom to rival gold. I love it. Very interesting timing on this article by Forbes. We are living in interesting times, that's for sure. Jasmine, the sleeping giant, more like the dominant volcano waiting to a dormant volcano waiting to erupt. The potential in this coin is huge. Don't miss the opportunity. Catch it while it's still dozing. Can you feel the ground rumbling? Invest before the eruption. Not financial advice. Bitcoin, where will volatility take prices? Let's find out. On October 6th, BTC price spiked and retested 28K following the resilient U.S. labor market in September. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, September payroll employment increased by $336,000. And unemployment remained at 3.8%. The positive labor data could prompt a hawkish stance from FOMC in the next meeting in November. However, the September CPI data scheduled for the 12th of October could clarify the Fed's rate decision in November. So expect some volatility, guys, on the 12th of October. In the previous BTC price action analysis, AMP Crypto correctly predicted a spike above 28K before a retracement towards 27.5, driven by a liquidity hunt. A little bit of a short squeeze there. BTC has shown a trend of retesting of price imbalances or liquidity areas. Buyers have used the price imbalance of 27K to 27.2K since the 2nd of October to re-enter the market. The recent rejection and high of 28.5K was also a previous low in early August. Above the level lays another price imbalance. Trying to hold in a cough, guys. Imbalance of 28.7 to 29K. Bordering a daily bearish OB of 29K to 30.4K. As such, we could expect BTC to retest the above overhead resistances 28.5K, 29K, or 29.5K if the Thursday CPI data favors bulls. Conversely, bulls are expected to defend the price imbalance and the demand area of 27K to 27.2K. Any drop below the area 27K could weaken BTC to 26.4 or daily bullish OB, especially if the September CPI favors sellers. Meanwhile, buying pressure was positive as RSI showed, but spot market demand has fluctuated in the past few days, as illustrated by wavering OBV. Besides, CMF labored below zero, indicating capital inflows into the BTC market remain muted. Based on order flows, analysts from mob chart data, BTC could see price reaction at 28.5, 29K, or 29.5K. There were considerable sell limit orders at these levels. On Binance Exchange alone, the 28.5 to 29K had 145 to 157 BTCs for sale, respectively, at press time. On the other hand, buy limit orders were at 27.2K and 27K. The above, this cough. The above buy and sell limit order placement levels coincided with key liquidity levels as CoinGlass liquidation map showed. So we could extend BTC's price fluctuations between 27K and 28K to 29K in the next few days. There you have it, rabbit. Very, very possible to see some volatility. Sorry, guys. This cough, I swear, just doesn't want to leave. Is XRPL gearing up for a major shift? Ripple CTO weighs in. In recent discourse on X, David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, spotlighted the prospect of incorporating an automated market maker within the XRPL. Schwartz, known for his profound insights, described AMMs as captivating facets of decentralized finance, potentially propelling the XRPL to newer horizons. Currently renowned for its unparalleled speed and adaptability, the XRP ledger has continually redefined cross-border transactions and remittances. If the community rallies behind the AMM proposition, Schwartz envisions I don't know what whatever a rapid transformation with implementation feasible within the fortnight. However, for this vision to materialize, a collective consensus is pivotal. Despite the allure of AMMs highlighted in the Ripple version 1.12.0 release, Schwartz is clear. The community's nod is paramount. Only with overwhelming agreement should validators proceed to embed this innovation into XRPL's decentralized exchange framework. As Ripple's visionary, Schwartz remains steadfast in his commitment to decentralization, championing community-driven advancements. Ripple and XRP continue to shape the future of crypto, with advancements like AMMs hinting at an ever-evolving, inclusive financial landscape. Really quick, guys, I was reading a little bit of a debate last night on Twitter between some people. I'm not going to name anybody, but they were arguing over the grants and the money through the XRP that Ripple was going to be granting to certain projects and companies and stuff. And there was arguments, people saying, well, we should get a vote and who Ripple gives these grants to. And, they should give it to the grants of people who are already building on here because they deserve it. And us as XRP holders, we deserve to have a voice to decide, who Ripple gives the grants to and stuff like that. And I completely and utterly 100% disagree with that sentiment. Guys, this is not high school. We don't, because we're XRP holders, we don't own any say in Ripple as a company. None. That would make it a security, right? We don't own any rights to any votes for what Ripple does as a company. Nothing, right? So where people, this sense of entitlement that some XRP, and I love XRP, guys. I hold a big bag of XRP. I've held it since before the lawsuit, all through the lawsuit, everything. So I am part of the XRP army through and through. But I do not see where some people get off feeling like they have some sort of entitlement to decide what Ripple as a company does with the grants that they hand out to companies. It's ludicrous. It's entitlement is what it is. It's spoiled brat entitlement is what it is, right? You're not entitled to it. We don't have a say in what Ripple does as a company. We don't have a vote. We don't own, unless you own stock in Ripple, because that's the difference. People are getting very, very confused, and I can see why this whole lawsuit came about in the first place. Because people keep saying that they understand that Ripple and XRP are different entities, right? They're different things. Ripple is not, like whenever they say, XRP is being sued by SEC, people are very quick to correct it and say, XRP is not being sued by anyone. XRP is a coin. Ripple's being sued. They're different things, guys. Owning XRP does not entitle you to anything that Ripple does as a company. People got to get that through their heads, right? It's the same thing with Ripple stock. People are going crazy saying that, when Ripple IPOs, XRP is going to go crazy. Why? Why is XRP going to go crazy? It has nothing to do with Ripple as a company IPOing. Ripple stock will probably go through the roof, but XRP has nothing to do with that, right? You might see a pump in XRP down the road, as in cause and effect, where other companies might start using XRPL and stuff like that and transacting in XRP because Ripple has, gone public and they're a bigger company. Excuse me, I get the hiccups. A bigger company now and stuff like that, but that's down the road. That's big picture, right? You're not going to see an immediate pump over $1 because Ripple IPOs. People put these false narratives out there. Guys, Ripple is a separate entity from XRP, right? People don't understand this. They say they do when it suits them with the court case, but then as soon as Ripple does something as a company, they expect XRP to pump for some reason, and it's beyond me why they think that. Anyway, rant over. Sorry, guys. That went a little longer than I intended it to. Got a little passionate there, eh? Whew, a little passion. Put some stank on it. Crypto has no innate or inherent value, SEC argues in Coinbase case. The SEC is arguing that cryptocurrencies lack any innate or inherent value as part of their case against Coinbase in federal court, prompting eye rolls from Coinbase and crypto watchers. 1 second, I got cough. Unreal. I try to get as far away from the microphone as I can, guys. I'm sorry. In response to a motion to throw out the agency's lawsuit filed over the summer, the SEC petitioned the judge to reject Coinbase's stance that cryptocurrency trading does not count as an investment contract between parties. It's justified its position by repeating its position that federal securities laws are designed to be interpreted flexibly through the legal doctrine known as the Howey test. So what they mean by that, flexibility wise, is that whatever Gary wants to flex and fold it into, that's what he wants it to mean. a goose. Nice try, Gary. Under Howey, the SEC has argued for decades that investments ranging from whiskey caskets to chinchilla farms can be regulated as investment contracts. However, it says that many cryptocurrencies differ only because they have no innate or inherent value on their own, whereas the tokens it's cited in its lawsuit meet the criteria under Howey, which the SEC has already lost that argument in the Ripple case. But I digress. If crypto assets embody some underlying value, that value is assessed through the digital token, the SEC wrote in its filing. But the token has no innate or inherent value on its own. It is tied to its underlying value, which is the crypto asset at issue in this case, is the investment contract, which they've already lost that argument in another case again. But the SEC argues, or the SEC's this cough, man. The SEC's arguments were brushed off by Coinbase's chief legal officer, Paul Graywall, who dismissed their motion, more of the same old position. The SEC's argument today would mean that everything from Pokemon cards to stamps to Swiffy bracelets are also securities, Graywall wrote, as New York Congressman Rep. Richie Torres made so clear last week that it is simply not the law, nor should it be. He was referring to Rep. Torres's questioning of Gary Gensler at the House Financial Services Committee hearing last month. Jeez, guys. Stuart Alderati, the chief legal officer for Ripple Labs, which won a partial victory against the SEC in July after being sued, also took to Twitter to ridicule the SEC's arguments. He says, I'll read it down here. He says, there is so much wrong with the SEC's brief in the Coinbase case, I don't know where to begin, wrote Alderati on Thursday. Let's start with the SEC claiming, without citation or support, that digital assets have no innate or inherent value, while collectible baseball cards do. As part of its June 6th lawsuit against Coinbase, the SEC listed several altcoins it labeled unlicensed securities, including Solana, Matic, and Cardano. The developers of these tokens have balked at this designation, and Coinbase has rebuked the charges against it. The question of cryptocurrency's value has been asked since the earliest days of technology. Unlike fiat currency, like the US dollar, tokens do not have the legal backing of the government entity, and ones like Bitcoin were designed to exist apart from a central authority. Instead, tokens' value is mostly determined by the market forces of supply and demand. Wow. Unbelievable, this cough. Can't even get through a video, guys. So anyways, sorry about the coughing, guys. Wow. Sorry, guys. Very, very sorry. Trying to get through. Anyways, that is it, guys. Despite the coughing, smash the like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate your support. Channel has been growing like a weed lately. It is crazy. So thank you. And welcome to all the new subscribers, guys. We've gotten hundreds and hundreds over the last few days. Welcome to all of you. We love having you here. Wait till the live streams will start happening again on a daily basis as soon as I get over this cold. So definitely thank you for joining. Also, guys, as always, check out the channel sponsor, LBank, link down below. And join the member side, guys. Click the join button down below. Support the channel. $4.99 a month. Helps me continue to put out a ton of content for you guys. And it gives me the ability to have one-on-one video calls with you guys, answer questions. Did a few of those today, guys. Plus, you get exclusive content, early gems, microcaps, things like that, AI projects, gaming projects, metaverse, layer 1s, layer 2, smart contract, DeFi, you name it. We talk about all of it on the member side. So click that join button, and I will see you guys in the next one.